Hi, my name is Pune. I'm an artist. I do painting, and I just want to show you how to paint my abstract painting. Maybe it's gonna be interesting for you to see how I paint my abstract painting. So sometimes I do coffee reading, um, and I can see the shape of the grounded coffee in the cup, and then I can find a shape and translate it to um, like a story and tell the people about their past, their present, and their future, um, like like a psychic. But then I found I can do it in my abstract painting too. So I splashed the paint on my canvas, and then I found a lot of interesting shape and things in my abstract painting, and then I painted around it. I how can I say maybe I fixed it to exactly the same shape I saw it. It's like sometimes you see in the you see a cloud, and you say, oh, this cloud is like look like a cat or a person or something like that. Exactly, I did with my abstract painting too. So I'm gonna show you how I see it, and then I painted that shape better, and put some outline line, and put different color to make it better. So I'm gonna show you how to like. Okay, this is my abstract painting. So these are I just this is waves, and so I put some flowers here, and this is I call this one third eye, so you can see just one eye and the body and the flow energy, and then go to the earth and water, and from the top it's like different color, like a aura or chakra colors around this third eye. And so these are I just painted from my mind, and these are two, but the splash painting is right here. So see, I splashed the paint here, and I found a lot of interesting shape. So then I put more color. You can see the nose and lips, eyes, and the face here too. The other face here and right here too. And then I see a beautiful um, flowers. I just made it. I paint a little bit more inside and make it better. So then I can see the dog face here, and but I see the eyes, and then I put more detail to make it better. And so I'm gonna show you more, like this one is like a dinosaur or something like that. This one was exactly eye, and I just make it put more mouth and nose. This one was like a person and legs. Just I put eyes, the third eye again here, and this one is like a shape of the woman, and something on the top. I actually didn't paint that one. I found it right now. This is like a dinosaur too. So I found here, see, there's like a person is like a ghost. So I made it, I painted better, and also there's a like a hair here, and this all these things goes flowed like a tornado and then goes to the ground, and it's become water, river water, and flowers here. I painted some flowers, and this is the source of, in my imagination, this is the source of energy from sun. You can see, and then the energy goes all the way to the top with the different colors, and this is some part of the nature and the cloud. So these are, I just painted from my mind. I didn't paint with splash water. And so also I found this beautiful colors here, so I made it like a apartment or houses, and I have more here like a landscape right here too, sun and water, and then here there is a animal eyes and the mouth, nose, and then water comes from his mouth and goes to all the painting. I splashed the water in here, and the top is more like a different color of the cloud, and here is a again the building, and the building and these are again splashing paint, and then here is like look like a sun, and the building here, and the water and some waves, and then more it's like a foggy here, and then all these things are dripping down to the big wave. So this is my wave. So more flowers over there. Let me show you this part. So this is just, I think, beautiful colors, and purple color, and more flowers here, and the building up there. So I'm going to show you all my painting if I can do it, because it's so big. So I'm going to this way. Yeah, yes. Maybe from here I can show you all my painting, and yeah. Okay. Thank you for watching, and I hope have a great day. If you like it, please like and subscribe my channel. And my website is www.paintingwineparties.com. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.